Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. I thank you so much, of course, this time for tuning into my 2934th edition of Short-Term Trading live with Oscar Carboni. Hey kids, Sunday night, wanted to get a video out to you. Oddly enough, the OMNI comes back to me on U.S. indices as a neutral for trading Sunday night through Monday. I'm all geared up and ready to get long. I'm like, yes, let's do the OMNI. Where are we getting long? Neutral. And then I thought, okay, neutral OMNI, interesting. Yes, the market's very bullish. Maybe the neutral OMNI is because of this. Maybe OMNI expects holiday reversals. Holiday reversals. Now, we have a major holiday coming this week at the end of the week, major for the United States at least. A lot of traders are going to probably leave their desks. So maybe that's why we're getting the neutral. Personally, I'd love to be long this thing right now, but I got to follow the OMNI. So we are neutral for trading on Sunday night through Monday. Maybe it is all about holiday reversals. We'll see. I will say that we are above the resistance test. Well, I tried to literally sell into this test on Thursday. It did me no good. So it's above the resistance test, and it's now looking pretty sharp to me. Looking forward to the next OMNI buy signal. For now, we've got to sit on the sidelines as a neutral or do some sort of Oscarism trade. But you know what? We don't have to go there. There are plenty of other markets out there. Here's one that I find interesting for trading possibly on Monday. Look at the gold. Look at what happened here. Through, it's been staying inside of this pennant flag, if you will. Broke down through the pennant flag. Now look a little closer. What else do you see? Look at this green average. The green average seems to be pretty strong here. Runs right along the bottom of the bottom of the wedge of the pennant flag. We broke that on Friday. We broke down below the wedge. OMNI is bearish on gold, precious metals themselves. So maybe we can find some work there. The grains look interesting. There's a lot of interesting markets out there. Now, if we traded the E-mini S&P, we'd have to do an Oscarism trade, but I think we're just going to listen to the OMNI on this one, especially with the possibility of holiday reversals coming up. We'll speak more about holiday reversals tomorrow night in my video, but I just wanted to show this to you. So gold, not a happy look. I'm thinking you could sell the rallies there. We'll see what's going to happen. Please like, share, and subscribe to these videos, traders. It'll help me get more view counts. It'll help me help more people around the world. Please like, share, and subscribe if you don't mind. Join me in my free site. It's free to everyone. Livewithoscar.com. You can join me in my free live trading room anytime you want. No credit cards are required. And remember, stops are in, emotions are out. Kids, are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Stops are in. Emotions are rock and roll, traders. Thank you for tuning in. Put your stops in first. Be careful out there. And remember, join me at livewithoscar.com. I'm in that live trading room waiting for you. I'll see you there.